If we are responsible, the future will be good for the future generations. Bharatiya Nagarik Suraksha Sanhita, BNSS, 2023. Chapter 1, Preliminary, Sections 1 to 5. The Bharatiya Nagarik Suraksha Sanhita, BNSS, 2023, marks a significant overhaul in the criminal procedural law framework of India, replacing the Code of Criminal Procedure, CrPC, of 1973. The preliminary chapter, which includes sections 1 to 5, lays the foundational groundwork for the rest of the Sanhita, establishing essential definitions, scope, and applicability that guide the interpretation and implementation of the entire legal code. Section 1, Short Title, Extent, and Commencement. This section provides the official designation of the Act, stating that it may be cited as the Bharatiya Nagarik Suraksha Sanhita, 2023. It specifies the geographical extent of the Act, which covers the entire territory of India, and the date from which the Act comes into force. The exact commencement date is either specified within the section or delegated to be notified by the central government, ensuring flexibility in the implementation process. Section 2, Definitions. Section 2 is a crucial part of the preliminary chapter as it provides definitions for various terms used throughout the BNSS. These definitions ensure clarity and uniform understanding of key terms, thereby reducing ambiguities that could arise in legal interpretations. The terms defined in this section include cognizable offense, non-cognizable offense, bailable offense, non-bailable offense, and others relevant to the procedural aspects of criminal law. This section sets the stage for the procedural rules by ensuring all stakeholders, law enforcement, judiciary, and citizens, have a clear understanding of the terminology. Section 3, Construction of References. This section deals with the interpretation of references to specific terms and provisions within the BNSS. It ensures that any reference to particular terms, offices, or jurisdictions in the Act aligns with the definitions and scope outlined within the BNSS. This legal construct aids in maintaining consistency and coherence throughout the legal document, ensuring that cross-references within the Act are correctly understood and applied. Section 4, Trial of Offences under the Indian Penal Code and Other Laws. Section 4 establishes that offences under the Indian Penal Code, IPC, or any other law shall be investigated, inquired into, tried, and otherwise dealt with according to the procedures laid out in the BNSS. This section underscores the BNSS's overarching applicability and ensures that it serves as the primary procedural guide for handling criminal cases. It highlights the BNSS's role in streamlining and standardizing the criminal justice process across various legal contexts. Section 5, Saving. The final section of the preliminary chapter, Section 5, includes saving clauses that protect ongoing proceedings and rights from being adversely affected by the enactment of the BNSS. This provision ensures a smooth transition from the CrPC to the BNSS, safeguarding actions and decisions taken under the previous legal framework. It clarifies that any investigation, legal process, or proceeding initiated under the CrPC or other prior laws will continue to be valid and can be carried forward under the new BNSS provisions. Summary. The preliminary chapter of the Bharatiya Nagarik Suraksha Sanhita, 2023, is foundational, establishing the Act's short title, extent, and commencement, and providing crucial definitions that ensure clarity and consistency throughout the document. It sets the framework for the trial of offences and safeguards ongoing legal proceedings during the transition from the old to the new procedural code. By laying down these foundational elements, the preliminary chapter ensures that the BNSS is implemented smoothly and effectively, marking a significant step towards modernizing India's criminal procedural laws. Stay informed. Live in comfort.